Hello dear children, a very warm welcome to the English class. I'm sure you all are good, you all are happy and healthy in your homes. Take care of yourself children and stay healthy and stay happy. This is our English class and we are doing Unit 6 of English Grammar. We are doing Unit 6 of English Grammar and we have already started this unit. The unit is use of is, am and are. Okay? मतलब हम कहाँ पे is use करते हैं? Where do we use am and where do we use are? We have already talked about the use of is and am. But before starting the explanation of use of are, I will revise the use of is and am so that you remember it. आपको जिससे याद आ जाए, नया टॉपिक पढ़ाने से पहले मैं पहले का थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करा करके and then we will start the new topic. Okay? Is, am and are. As I have already told you, these are known as helping verbs. Is, am and are. They are known as helping verbs. Now the question is, what is verb? Verb किसे कहते हैं? अगर हिंदी ग्रामर में पढ़ा होगा, verb मतलब क्रिया. Verbs are the word verbs. Verbs. Verbs are the words which tell us about any action. Throughout the day, we keep on doing something or the other. हम सारे दिन कोई ना कोई एक्शन करते हैं. Even when we are just sitting, बैठे हैं तो बैठे हैं, that is also an action. Even when we are sleeping, सोना भी तो एक काम है ना. Sleeping is also a part of our daily routine. सोना भी जरूरी है. तो throughout the day we keep on doing something or the other. तो ये जो words होते हैं जो किसी action को बताते हैं, like eat, read, write, sleep, jump, hold, throw, pull, write. ठीक है, जितने भी हम सारे दिन काम करते हैं, आप लिखते हो, बुक पकड़ना, किसी भी चीज को होल्ड करना, पकड़ना, किसी चीज को पुश करना, खेलना, जंप करना, रन, डांस, सिंग, ऑल दीज आर वर्ब्स. वर्ब्स को हम एक्शन वर्ड भी कहते हैं एंड दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज डूइंग वर्ड्स. इज, एम एंड आर नोन एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. ठीक है, ये जो मेन वर्ब्स हैं इनको हेल्प करने के लिए ये वाले वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं. Now, where do we use is? First is the use of is. Where do we use is? Is used with he, she, it, this, that and other singular noun. ठीक है, is का मतलब है. हिंदी में बोलते हैं तो हम इसको यूज करते हैं with singular noun. Nouns हमने जो पढ़ा है नेमिंग वर्ड्स. Nouns are naming words. तो जो singular naming words हैं उनके साथ या he, she, it, this and that. We have learned the use of he, she and it also. He, she और it को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं ये हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है. These are the words which are used in place of repeating the naming words. नेमिंग वर्ड्स को हमको बार बार नहीं रिपीट करना पड़े उसके लिए हम ही, शी और इट यूज करते हैं, है ना. नेमिंग वर्ड्स को हमें बार बार ना रिपीट करना पड़े. इट इज नॉट इनकरेक्ट बट इट डजंट साउंड वेरी गुड. जब हम एक ही वर्ड को, एक ही नेमिंग वर्ड को बार बार रिपीट करते हैं तो वो सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो वी यूज दीज वर्ड्स विच आर यूज्ड in place of repeating the naming words. तो हम इस किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? is used with he, she, it, this, that, and singular nouns. ठीक है, singular nouns means singular naming words. Varanasi is an old city. Seema is my friend. Rohan is my friend. Okay? My mother is very pretty. She is a very good cook. So with singular nouns and he, she and it are used in place of naming words only. He मैंने बताया था, he is used with male naming words जैसे brother, boy, father, grandfather, uncle. जो मेल नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं उनके साथ हम ही यूज करते हैं. शी इज यूज विथ फीमेल नेमिंग वर्ड्स लाइक गर्ल, मदर, आंट, ग्रैंडमदर, सिस्टर. With female naming words we use she, and with all the other words we use it. Whether it is the name of any person, no, not name of any person, it is name of any place, any tree, any animal, any plant, all the things which are around us, we use it. ठीक है, हम उसके लिए it use करते हैं. This, we have learned the use of this and that also. This is used when we have to show something which is near us. कोई चीज हमारे पास है, उसको शो करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? This. If something is far from us, उसको शो करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं that. You are sitting in the class. आपके टेबल पे आपकी बुक्स रखी हैं, your notebooks are there, your pencil box is there. तो what do you say? This is my book. This is my pencil. This is my pencil box. क्लास में आप बैठे हो, आउटसाइड यू कैन सी समवन, किसी को आपको कुछ बाहर दिख रहा है, दैट इज अ ट्री, बिकॉज दैट इज क्लास से थोड़ा दूर है, सो दैट इज अ ट्री. दैट इज अ काइट, दैट इज अ बर्ड. सो दिस इज यूज, दिस को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? दिस इज यूज फॉर शोइंग समथिंग विच इज नियर अस. And that is used for showing something which is far from us. So we use is with he, she, it, this, that and singular nouns. For example, my mother is a teacher. He is my best friend. This is my lunch box. Doraemon is my favorite cartoon character. India is my motherland. Salman Khan is a famous actor. It is a blackboard. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. So with these words we use it. Okay? So now here you can see with singular noun, that is anything. Any name of any person, boy, any animal, with anything, we use is, and then we use is with this, he, she, it and that. With all these things, with this, he, she, it, that and other and singular nouns, we use is. Okay? Now next is, where do we use am? Am is used only with I. Am का use सिर्फ I के साथ होता है. We do not use am anywhere else. ठीक है? am को हम कहीं और नहीं यूज करते. He, she, it, किसी के साथ भी हम am नहीं यूज करते. Am is used only with I. ठीक है? I am a girl. I am 6 years old. I am very pretty. ठीक है? I am a good runner. I am very good in studies. When you talk about yourself, so we use am with I. I को हम सिर्फ am is used only with I. Okay? I am is used when a person tells about himself or herself. I am हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? When a person tells about himself or herself. जब कोई अपने बारे में बात करता है. ठीक है? जब हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं, when I am talking about myself, I say I am. I am, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ when I am talking about myself. I am talking about myself. What does it mean? मतलब मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. Okay? And it is not necessary that I के साथ हमेशा am use होगा. जैसे like if I wish to say, जैसे मैंने बोला I wish to say, I like to eat fruits. I like to eat chocolates. I love ice cream. I like to sing. I like to read books. यहाँ पे we are not using am, but am is used. जब भी am use होगा, am will be used only with I. ठीक है? Like here, the girl is talking about herself. I am Sanya. I am 6 years old. I am a good student. I am smart. I am swimming. I am happy. Okay? So am will be used only with I. Now let us see the use of are. अभी हम देखते हैं कि हम are कहाँ कहाँ use करते हैं. We use are with we, you, they, these, those and plural noun. जैसे हमने is use किया he, she, it, this, that and singular noun. Are is used with plural form of all these. Okay? Plural form. He का मतलब होता है he, she and it. That is second person when we are talking about someone else. ठीक है? तो उनके लिए हम क्या, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ you. You का मतलब एक सिंगल चाइल्ड भी हो सकता है and you means the entire class also. ठीक है? Stand up all of you. You जो word है that is used for a single person as well as for many people. So you is used for singular as well as plural. So you हम कहाँ पे use करेंगे? When I am talking about myself, जब हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं तो we say I. But when if there are more than one person, अगर एक से ज्यादा लोग हैं, हम जब अपने बारे में बात करते हैं तब we. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना मैं मीन्स I. और अगर एक से ज्यादा है तो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में हम मीन्स we. So are is used with we, you, they, these, those and plural nouns. He, she and it. That means for second person. This is for singular noun. If it is more than one. अगर ये he, she and it की जगह अगर एक ही मतलब one single boy और one single male, अगर one की जगह if it is 2, 3, 4, 5 तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? they. ठीक है? Then we use they. We is used when we talk about ourselves. जब हम एक से ज्यादा होते हैं then we use we. You मैंने बताया you is used for singular noun as well as for plural. एक के लिए भी you use करते हैं and one से ज्यादा के लिए भी you use करते हैं. They. ठीक है? They means when we are talking about someone else. एक से ज्यादा है, plural है, then we use they. These is the plural form of this. This means one. This is a book. These are books. These is used for showing something which is near us. Okay? And those is used for showing something which is far from us. This is used for singular noun. These is used for plural. This is my book. These are my books. Okay? This is a pencil. These are pencils. This is a chalk. These are chalks. And जैसे हम that use करते हैं, we use that for showing something which is far from us. So if it is plural form, अगर एक से ज़्यादा है, then we use those. That is a tree. Those are trees. That is a lion. Those are animals. Those are lions. So we, you, they, these, those and plural nouns. With all these we use are. जैसे मैंने बोला this word. Am is only used with this word I, because I is just one single word. Okay? तो मैंने बोला am is used with I. And since R is used with so many words, so I will say R is used with these words. Since they are near me, I have written the words on the board, so I will say R is used with these words. Am is used with this word, R is used with these words. Difference समझ में आया? Am is used with this word, R is used with these words. This and these. This and these both are used for showing something which is near us. This is used for singular and these is used for plural. That and those both are used for showing something which is far from us. That is used for singular and those is used for plural. Okay? And for singular nouns we use this. For plural nouns we use are. The boys are playing. The girls are dancing. The children are singing. Okay? Now see these examples. Use of are. Use of are. Now see the examples. We are playing. We are playing. Okay? Then Sneha and Paras are siblings. Siblings means भाई बहन. Sibling का मतलब होता है भाई बहन. They are fighting. They are fighting. You are intelligent. You are intelligent. These are my crayons. Tomatoes are ripe. Ripe means पके हुए. Tomatoes are ripe. मतलब tomatoes पके हुए हैं. Then children are very cute. Cute मतलब बहुत sweet है. Peacocks are dancing. Peacocks are dancing. Parents are loving and caring. Parents are loving and caring. Ram and I are hungry. Okay? Now, as I told you, where do we use are? Are is used with. are को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? We, you, they, these, those, and plural nouns. R is used with we, you, they, these, those and plural nouns. Now see here, we are. इससे बताया हमने R is used with we. We are playing. स्नेहा एंड पारस आर सिबलिंग्स. मतलब स्नेहा और पारस भाई बहन हैं. सो हियर इट इज मोर देन वन. स्नेहा एंड पारस, these are naming words, and more than one naming word, that means plural. So Sneha and Paras are siblings. They are fighting. They मतलब anyone, आपके सामने कोई है, they are fighting मतलब वो लोग लड़ रहे हैं. There is more than one child, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 जितने भी बच्चे होंगे. So they are fighting. They मतलब कोई भी हो सकता है. They are fighting. You are intelligent. You means when I am talking to someone. For with is हम क्या यूज करते हैं? He. ठीक है. And you means when I am talking to directly to someone. जब मैं directly किसी से बात कर रही हूँ कि you are intelligent. He का मतलब होता है कि मैं किसी और के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. Third person. He is. अभी जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ, that person can be present there. वो हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. He and she जब हम यूज करते हैं, that means we are talking about someone else. ठीक है. मतलब जो वहां पे प्रेजेंट नहीं है. But when I am saying you are intelligent, तो you का मतलब है that the person is present there. Okay? मैं directly आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. मैं directly किसी से बात कर रही हूँ, तो मतलब you are intelligent. These are my crayons. These ये मेरी crayons हैं. This is my pencil. This is my crayon. But here crayons. It is plural. Crayons. So these are my crayons. Tomatoes are ripe. Tomato is a naming word. Tomato is ripe. अगर एक single tomato है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? Tomato is ripe. Ripe means पका हुआ. So if it is one tomato, I will say tomato is ripe. But here it is more than one tomato. Tomatoes. Plural है. So tomatoes are ripe. Then children. Children is the plural form of child. जैसे हमने one and many पढ़ा था, तो one and many में हमने सिर्फ s and es लगा के plural बनाया था. There are many words where plural form में पूरी spelling change हो जाती है. ठीक है. One child and many children. Children is the plural form of child. So children are very cute. Peacocks are dancing. Peacock is dancing. If it is one peacock, then peacock is dancing. And since it is plural, peacocks, so peacocks are dancing. Parents are loving and caring. Parents. Parents का मतलब mother, father दोनों होता है. So parents are loving and caring. Ram and I are hungry. Ram and I मतलब we are two, Ram और मुझे. हम दोनों बहुत भूखे हैं. भूख लग रही है. So Ram and I are hungry. So R is used with plural forms. We, you, they, these, those and plural nouns. These are my crayons. Okay? Those are trees. ठीक है. समझ में आया? Now I hope so you can see that R is used with plural nouns, that is boys, Sita and Geeta, oxen, etc. Oxen is the plural form of ox. Ox, oxen. ठीक है. अभी और आगे आप क्लासेस में पढ़ोगे कि जहाँ पे प्लूरल में the spelling changes entirely. Ox, ox के प्लूरल में we do not add s or es. Ox, oxen. So with all these plural nouns, that is boys, Sita and Geeta, oxen, etc. Then these, we, you, they and those. With all these words, we use are. Okay? So I hope this is clear to you. Now we will start the exercise. first exercise is fill in the blanks with correct options. Fill in the blanks with correct options. That means for each blank, 2 options are given. Okay? For each blank, 2 options are given. You have to complete the sentence with correct option. Like first is fruits good for health. And the options are is or are. Now see here, the naming word, this is fruits. This is not fruit. अगर fruit होता singular, तो fruit is good for health. But since here it is fruits, so the correct option would be are. Fruits are good for health. I watching a movie. And the options are is and am. Now with I, मैंने बताया था am will be used only with I. I के साथ सिर्फ am use होगा और you can say am is used only with I. So I and am. So कहीं पे भी wherever it is I, we will use am. कहीं पे भी अगर I आता है तो वहां पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Am. I am watching a movie. Third is my father driving our car. And the options are is and are. So my father to will always be singular. If it is parents, then plural. But if it is father or mother, it will always be singular. So my father is driving our car. We in the library. And the options are is or are. So we के साथ we means plural. We मतलब हम लोग. Suppose the entire class goes to the library. पूरी class library में जाते हो तो क्या बोलोगे? We are in the library. We are going to the library. Okay? So we are in the library. And fifth is children climbing a tree. And the option is am or are. Now am मैंने बताया था am is used only with I. Am will not be used anywhere else. कहीं और am का use नहीं होगा. Always remember am is used only with I. Is मतलब हिंदी में जिसको कहते हैं और are मतलब है. जब हम एक इसमें बिंदी भी लगा देते हैं यहाँ पे है. बच्चा खेल रहा है. The child is playing. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. The children are playing. ठीक है? तो हिंदी में भी देखो है is माने है और है मतलब are. तो children is plural. Children means there is more than one child. So children are climbing a tree. So this is how we use is, am and are. Is माने है. Is used with all singular nouns. He, she, it, this and that. जितने भी singular nouns होते हैं उनके अलावा he, she, it, this and that के साथ we use is. Am is used only with I. Am के लिए कोई confusion ही नहीं है. Am is used only with I. And are is used with all the plural nouns. We, you, they, these और those. मतलब इसमें जो जितने singular nouns हैं are में वो सारे plural nouns हो गए. Okay? So I hope जितना मैंने आज explain किया है, whatever I have explained today, you will remember it, you will keep it in your mind, and if there's any doubt, any query, any question, online classes are always there. Next day आप online class में without any hesitation you can ask me. So today I will stop here only. Thank you children.